Hi everyone, I am Dr.A.Saravanakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss the important subject, strategic management. So what do you mean by strategy? Strategy is nothing but in every organization, they are following some strategy to success in the organization. For example, if you are going to manufacture any product, how to sell the product to the customer. So that is a strategy. Some strategy we are using to sell the product to the customer. So the word strategy is derived from the Greek word status, it meaning army, and ego meaning leading or moving. Strategy is a well-defined roadmap of an organization. It defines the overall mission, vision, and direction of an organization. So what do you mean by mission? Mission is nothing but short-term goal. Vision is a long-term goal. Uh, and the objective of a strategy is to maximize an organization's strength and to minimize the strength of the competitors. So strength will be more by that every organization, but to minimize the strength of the competitors. So then only I saw the picture as you have to achieve the target. So what is the definition for the strategy? As per Alpha D. Chandler, strategy is the determination of basic long-term goals and objectives of an enterprise and the adoption of the course of action and the allocation of resources necessary for carrying out these goals. As per Globe, strategy is defined as unified, comprehensive, and integrated plan relating the strategic advantages of the firm to the challenges of the environment. It's designed to ensure that the basic objectives of the enterprise are achieved. So vision and mission. Vision is a long-term goal. Mission is a short-term goal. So depends upon the vision and mission. You have to towards the work to achieve the objective or target of the enterprise. So in strategic management, strategic management is a set of management decisions and actions that determine the long-run performance of a corporation. So if you're going to take a decision, it will be useful for the long-run performance of a corporation. So what is the definition for strategic management? As per Shannon, strategic management is defined as the set of decisions and actions that result in formulating of strategy and its implementation to achieve objectives of the corporation. So you have the formulation of the strategy and its implementation. So I saw the picture as a chess because we are using a lot of strategies to win the game. So that's only I gave this picture as a chess game. So next we are going to discuss about very important strategic management process. So in the strategic management process, we are going to discuss what are the points. So next session we are going to discuss in depth. So strategic management process, step one, setting up of strategic intent, that is vision, mission and objective. So vision is a long-term goal, mission is a short-term goal and objective. So you have to work towards the vision and mission. So strategy formulation, environmental appraisal and organizational appraisal. Appraisal is nothing but testing to test the job performance in the particular job. To test the job performance in that particular job, it's a appraisal. So environmental appraisal, there are two types of environment, internal environment and external environment. So internal environment within the organization, external environment outside the organization. So internal environment within the organization means employees. So employees are the key role for an organization. So within the organization, top level, middle level, and low level. So in the top level, like managing director, CEO, secretary. In the middle level, production manager, marketing manager, HR manager. So everyone will be included in the middle level and low level employees. So you are going to appraise the internal environment as well as external environment. External environment is nothing but suppliers, customers, um, the stakeholders, shareholders, they are all outside the environment and also economic policies, government policies. So everything it will be included outside the environment. So strategy formulation, strategy implementation, and also the strategy evaluation and control. So next session, we are going to discuss in depth about strategic management process in each point. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all. So strategic intention is nothing but focus. So you're going to focus on vision, mission, and objectives.